Let's come inside, Alex. Hurry up! I can't wait anymore. Episode 16. Dora Goes to Greece, Part 2. Hello, everyone. Did you miss me? In the previous episode, I was flying to Greece. I met Alex at the airport, and we became friends. During 5 days in Greece, we have gone sightseeing pretty much everywhere we could. Alex and I have tried some Greek cuisines and made friends with lovely local people too. 5 days is not long, but I think it's enough to conclude that Greece is an amazing country. Keep watching this episode to understand why Greece is wonderful and worth visiting once in your lifetime. I can't believe I'm here in Athens, the capital city of Greece. Yeah, right? It's so sunny now and the air smells so fresh. I can see the blue sea from way over there. You do? Where is it? Look in that direction. Oh, there it is. It's a stunning view. A sight to be seen. Yeah, the sea is so blue and sparkling under the sunlight. Speaking of blue color, do you know the meaning of the Greek flag? I don't. What is it? Blue represents Greece's sea and sky, while white stands for the purity of the struggle for freedom. It really blew my mind, young girl. According to what we learned about Greece through history classes, Greek people really suffered a lot from thousands of wars and battles for freedom. Thank you, Alex, for that informative information. Wow, do you know that my travel book said Greece enjoys more than 250 days of sunshine, or 3,000 sunny hours a year? Yes, the weather is pretty much like this all year round. It's very rewarding for us to stroll around the city all day. Indeed, the ancient monuments that are scattered all over the city are worth a visit. Yes, most tourists visit Athens in search of its glorious past. So do we. Let's go! Here we are at the Acropolis of Athens. The Acropolis of Athens was a runner-up for the new 7 Wonders of the World. Have you traveled to any wonders in the world before, Dora? I have not. This is my first time seeing a wonder with my own eyes, too. The building is fabulous, even though it is destroyed partly. My travel book said that in the past, Acropolis was a religious center dedicated to the worship of the goddess Athena. Athena is the goddess of beauty, isn't she? No, Alex, that's Aphrodite. Athena is the goddess of wisdom, war, and crafts. You seem to know a lot about Greek gods, Dora. I'd love to hear ancient stories. Sure. In general, there were 12 gods of Mount Olympus. They were the most important divine characters in ancient Greece. However, the Greeks did not always agree on the 12. Why is that so? Strolling around the city really exhausted me. I really need to grab something to eat. Like some fried chicken wings or a burger, for example. No chance, Alex. We're in Greece. The country is known around the world for its delicious and healthy cuisine. Yes, silly me. By the way, what food did your travel book recommend us? It said the first thing we should taste in Greece is a dish named moussaka. Like the name of that restaurant? That's right. The dish is probably their best seller. Let's come inside, Alex. Hurry up, hurry up! I can't wait anymore.
Kalimera.
Excuse me, we're American. Do you speak English? Oh, yes, I do. Welcome to Moussaka. How can I help you? Thank you. We want to order 2 plates of moussaka. But first of all, can we know what moussaka is? Yeah, moussaka sounds like a character in Lion King to me. Haha, we heard that a lot. Is moussaka using the meat of animals such as hyena, lion, or something? Stop being ridiculously funny, Alex. I just want to know. Don't let that fancy word scare you off. Moussaka is a traditional Greek dish made of ground lamb, eggplant, and tomatoes with cheese on top. Moussaka in Greek means eggplant or aubergine, so the main ingredient in a moussaka is eggplant. Eggplant that is layered with a tomato meat sauce and topped with a melt-in-your-mouth cheese sauce. And it tops this moussaka like a golden crown on the king. Lamb? Sounds delicious already. Traditionally, it was made with ground lamb, but in more modern times, it is usually made with ground beef. You can choose between beef or lamb. Thank you so much for your hospitality. I'd like to have a moussaka with ground lamb. How about you, Alex? 1 beef moussaka for me, please. Oh, I'll have an olive salad too. Dora, would you like some salad too? I'm fine, thanks. I had your order noted down. Your dishes will be served in 15 minutes. I can't believe it. Time flew so fast. Yes, I was happy that I had you beside me the last 5 days. I learned so many things from you, Dora. Ditto. Without you, I didn't know those survival skills when traveling abroad. No biggie. Thanks to you, I've earned some merit badges too. You're so awesome, Alex. What are you up to after this trip? My next destination is Italy. We scouts are going to attend an international camp in Venice. Venice is full of charms. I hope you will have a great time there, Alex. I'm gonna miss you much, Dora. Me too. Alright, let's bottle up for our sisterhood and our friendship. Cheers!